I'm printing this Vise for the workshop that Joseph Prusa, the CEO and owner of the company that made the actual printer that's making this, he uploaded himself. So you can be sure this thing is watertight. But it is taking forever to print. It's going to be like a day. And it's already, it's only 25%. It's been printing 7 hours and 36 minutes. And it's only 25%. So this thing is going to be something to behold. I'm also wondering about the string. You see the string on here. I think that's from this printer fan guard. But I like the printer fan guard because it doesn't chop my fingers up when I reach in there. So, and I don't think that the string is really all that bad. You can zap it with a heat gun and get rid of it, or you know, I could deal with it. It's not ideal, but it's not the worst. For what it is, it's going to be a Vise in a shop. It's not going to be a display piece. So I just thought I'd share that while I'm waiting this thing to print. See you in a couple of days when this thing's done.